it is usual in jump cases of suicide attempts or when they jump that they take off their shoes. And it was apparent in that moment, I think her shoes were separate from the body. Tinanggal niya talaga sapatos niya bago siya tumalon. So it shows the psychological patterns of a jump suicide.
Initially, yung driver ay person of interest. Pero after na investigation, off the hook na siya sa...
Yes, he is still a person of interest. He's still left to get to the background, but to our investigation so far, we see no conclusive links with him and the fall of Yusek Cabral.
Sek, ano po ba yung naging pakay po kay Yusek Cabral? Ano naging pakay po ni Yusek sa pagpunta po doon sa Baguio or sa Benguet?
Ay, siya na makakasabi nun eh. It is usual in the psychological makeup of suicide attempts that they go where they are most tormented. So, for young people, it usually happens in schools because of grades. For that 15-year-old age, it's if it's love that they do something else. But in this case, where I think we see a pattern of torment for her because of the rock netting cases in Benguet, which will, I think, down the road will implicate her and the congressman and the contractors who implemented the project.
So, ibig sabihin po, doon po yung isa sa mga ghost project?
Hindi siya ghost, severely overpriced. Kasi yung rock netting is only 325 pesos per square meter and they sold it to the government for 1,400 pesos per square meter. So, lalabas yun.
Ko-confirm ko lang din po, meron pong inilabas si Congressman Erice. Ang sabi po niya, naging pakay po doon ay para po maningil ng utang sa isang contractor. Na-verify na po ba natin ito?
Hindi, lahat ng CCTV ay umakyat siya diretso sa hotel room, kumain, tapos bumaba na kagad. So, wala siyang kinusap so far, wala kaming nakitang may kinusap na iba.
Nauna na pong nag-search ang NBI po doon sa lugar. Meron daw pong nakita na kutsilyo at medicine sa loob po ng kwarto po niya.
Maybe Chief Natades can answer.
Yes, as to the items left at the hotel room, particularly at the Ion Hotel, the National Bureau of Investigation have applied for search warrant to secure what are the items inside that hotel room para makuha, no? Kasi dun yung huling pinuntahan niya ni Spectral. And together with the NBI, together with the CID.
Good morning po. Kay Chief PNP. Chief, i-follow up ko lang yung recover na knife. Anong significance sa kaso po? Ano possibly intent ng knife daw sa roof?
Well, if we're talking about the knife or the items that were recovered, yung knife for self-protection or panggamit niya lang inside the bag. While the medications, we secure that, we put that into the study,